Trick while manifesting. Is this what you want? I have been asked this question multiple times. How do I control my logical brain from thinking the negative or opposite? If you're wondering the same thing, this video gonna be so helpful for you. First of all, don't stress about it, as it's pretty normal to have negative thoughts about the unseen. In fact, take it like this. Be happy that your logical brain is healthy and functioning properly, because that's what it was designed to do. The problem isn't the logical brain or the negative thoughts. The problem is your attitude towards it. If you are more accepting of negative thoughts, then surely you would love to dwell in them, as it is easy to be the victim and hard to be the owner of your creation. So what's the solution? The simple solution is to discipline or train your mind to think more positively. Here is a simple exercise I want you must try. Every time your mind wanders and you consider ifs and buts, the hows and the whens, try this. Try asking yourself the following question out loud, out loud. Is this what you want? And wait for your logical brain to answer. The answer will always be no. Then again ask yourself, then what do you want? Now this time close your eyes and see the end scenes of your desire. Don't worry if you don't feel it at this time, but the visuals that you want to feed into your logical brain should be clear. If you have trouble imagining the end scene, write it down on a small card and always keep it with yourself and read it out loud. Continue this process on a daily basis and engage in some physical activity or another physical activity to distract your mind. It's such a simple but extremely powerful to train your logical brain into thinking positively. You will start noticing that now the mind doesn't go automatically to the negative outcome, because you have been training it to see the positive outcome. Your mind is your asset. It needs to be protected, developed and trained well in order for it to work for you. Put your time and effort into training it well, and you will be amazed how it can do wonders for you.